Hi, my name is Jill Yesko, and this is Sandy Kuchman, and we're from Discover Organizing. Our tip of the day has to do a lot with why you're organizing. So Sandy, what is the really important thing to remember in terms of getting organized?
You definitely want to label and contain the things that you're organizing. And if everything is very clearly labeled and very well contained, you can put it where you're going to easily access it, and certainly for immediate retrieval.
Right, because you don't want to just put something away just because it has a bin. You want to put it in the bin and label it so that when you're ready to use it again, you know exactly where to go.
Yes.
A lot of people just put things on shelves because they can, or they put things down into their basement because they have room,
Right.
but they're never going to go get it again.
Right.
Now, the don't, we always have a do and a don't. So that's your do. And my don't is to please don't beat yourself up if you don't do it perfectly. Organizing is a skill. It can be learned. And Sandy and I both have a lot of education that we've received over the years through the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals, known as NAPO, but also through other organizations that we attend and learn from at different conferences and certainly webinars. We've read a lot of books. Julie Morgenstern, Peter Walsh are two of our authors that are featured here today. And I really think over time, you can learn how to organize just about anything.
True.
That's your tip for the day.